Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you today. We know we have a lot of money at stake, is what we're talking about. Situation that we're dealing with Quant. So, just a heads up, if you like what you see today on the channel, just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are growing and we want you to grow with us. Going to be talking to you today about some Quant, and we're going to be talking about the money that is at stake. But let's just go ahead and start setting that scene. Look at that Bitcoin price right now. That's going to be 104. And then we've got Ethereum that's still at 2,500. That's pretty good. Let's look at some Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is going to be 64%. Ethereum at 9.4%. Let me come back just a moment. Fear and greed is going down somewhat. So if it gets really bad, guys, those of you who've been around the market for a little while know that if it starts getting really fearful, that's when we start scooping up the stuff, right? So just a little bit of a heads up on that. And remember that nothing we say on the channel is financial advice, but it sure helps to sure get it cheaper. What do you say? Buy low, sell high. Now, let's just go ahead and look back at some Quant. Now, notice right now that Quant is at 102.59. A little while back, let me see the 1 day. Let me look at the 1 day real quick. The 1 day is a little bit below 1% down. So that's not bad at all on the 1 day. But I want you to notice right here, just a few days ago, what is it? Really, not that many. How about yesterday? According to my time clock, uh, this Quant was right below 100 at maybe like 99, 98 point something. So if you ever want to make sure to start setting your uh, stop limit orders and get it right below 100, you could have did it right there. So just a little bit of a heads up on that, trying to make us a little bit of money. Always try to buy low as much as possible. So let's just go ahead and look at what's up with Quant. We're going to be talking about some staking aspects which have not occurred yet, okay? But at the same time, we want to remind you a little bit of why Quant is important. Of course, one of the number one reasons why it's important, as far as its scarcity, is going to be the 14 million that are the max supply, the circulating supply of 12 million Quant. So really very, very scarce. Let's go ahead and look to Twitter as far as the, how can I say, our X site, also known as Twitter. So just give you a little bit of a heads up on that as well. Remind you of a few things. Don't forget that Quant was here at EBA Day 2025, one of the leaders, uh, talking about the digital euro and how Europe's commercial banks and payment firms could leverage Quant. Not, yeah, so that's just a little bit of a heads up on that. Uh, Playing that key role in the ECB as far as developing the digital euro. We talked about that as well. Just a little bit of a reminder. This is a nice little event that occurred a day ago, I think. Future of Finance Digital Money 2025 event. So this was a nice event at the Aon Center in London on yesterday. So a lot of leadership abilities that Quant has. They're taking the lead on a lot of things. So Money Machine, Quant Flow. Let's see what else we got. Quant Money Engine. Let's see what else we're looking at. Here's one event that we want to remind you of as well. Not to say that you're right across the street, but some of you are literally right across the street. Never mind. Depends on if you're in England or London. Some of you guys are. So, but anyways, it's talking about the event that's going to be going on 2025 Digital Innovation Summit. This is going to be sponsored by Quant. So just to give you a heads up, and this is also part of UK Finance. So just going to give you a heads up on that. Quant is really moving and shaking, being a leader in the space, not a follower. These guys are definitely on the up, on moving up, that is. Now, let's go ahead and look at the Overledger aspect of Quant. This is the Quant website. So build, deploy, and manage multi-chain applications with ease. Because of the Overledger and the Overledger upgrade, A lot of things are going to be possible. It says for seamless orchestration between multiple blockchains. So this is the Overledger upgrade is part of that. It's going to be a multi-chain interoperability, cross-chain transactions, multi-chain smart contract execution, scalability and performance, security and compliance. Let's go ahead and look a little bit at a lot of this. It says unlock your blockchain potential. So just a little bit of a heads up on what's going to be going on. Quant is looking up in the future. So let's just go ahead and look a little bit more. I want us to, let me see if I can pull up a PowerPoint I had. So hopefully I can do that real quick. Give me just a moment. Share, click over. Okay, let me see if I can bring my face. Show my face into place. And here we go. Now, so let's see if we can keep this moving a little bit. At this point, I'm going to see if I can show a little presentation. Yeah, okay, cooperating, Mr. Quant. Cooperation. What's that? Let's see. So here we go. So, like I said before, and like we said like 100 times, this is not financial advice. But we're talking about native quant staking. It's not going to be live yet. It's going to be here as a part of the Overledger Fusion upgrade. What I'm going to say real quick, give you a nice little definition for the native staking. So native staking in cryptocurrency involves locking up your digital tokens directly within their original blockchain network to contribute to its security and operation in return for the rewards. So this process is going to help validate transactions and maintain the network's integrity. Users participate by running their own validator nodes or delegating their tokens to existing validators. So remember way back in the day when you had to have 32 ETH to run a validator node for Ethereum. I know that was a long time ago, but I'm just trying to give you a heads up on what you might have to do later on once we are able to actually finally get this native staking, which has not come to fruition as of yet for Quant. Listen, I noticed some of you guys say, hey, I saw staking online. But yeah, but that's not native staking. That's like third-party staking. Stuff like maybe Kraken or Binance or something of that nature. That's third party. So you're really not getting like the full benefits of that the way you would with the native staking. So, but anyways, this is what we're waiting on. We're waiting for the native staking, and it's not there just yet. So you're gonna have to be a little bit patient. But one of the things we want to be aware of is want to make sure we have enough quant to stake properly when this actually happens. All right. So let's move on. The Overledger Fusion upgrade is going to be a layer 2.5 interoperability network. It's going to be rolling out this month, June 2025. So when we talk about layer 2.5, what we're talking about is we're talking about a bridge between layer 2 and layer 3. It allows the blockchains to be bridged together, and it allows them to operate, with one another. Otherwise, they would not be able to communicate with each other at all. So basically, it's just like a language bridge or something of that nature. This is what we're talking about with the 2.5. Extremely important language by which the blockchains will be able to operate with one another. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, so Fusion will include a trusted node staking program, allowing approved operators to stake Quant and earn transaction priority rewards. So, in other words, once you get your node in the staking program, as an operator and as a person who's staking, you'll be able to earn transaction priority rewards. We don't know all the details, but this is kind of like the nuts and bolts of what's going to be happening. So remember, like I said before, nothing we say is financial advice, and nothing we say is perfect per se. Staking may work through Quant gateways. rather than simple wallet deposits. So we don't know everything, but this is what we're assuming, speculating. User will lock Quant in network gateways and earn a share of the fee. So that's what we're looking at, and this is what's most likely going to be happening. These are speculations here. All right, let's move a little bit. Remember that the native staking is coming, but is not available yet. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to stay tuned for the updates. So some of these things are going to be tweaked over time. And so, like I said, we're not given a specific date for the staking and when it's going to start. So don't quote us on that as of yet. So please don't do that. Now, and this was the article, one of the articles that I looked at. I looked at some other information as well, but this one that I want to recommend is medium.com, Quant's Quantum Leap, how quant flow and staking are quietly powering the internet of value. This is by Joseph Rezo. So I don't know too much more about it, but at the same time, this is what I saw. This is what I was reading, and so some good information while I was at it there. So what I wanted to keep in mind, and for you guys to keep in mind, is that Quant is, how can I say, this is going to be good as far as the staking, but we got to be prepared. So if you feel like you don't have enough Quant to stake, this is where you might want to get all your staking in line. Also, some of you guys might say, okay, I want to stake this much, and then I want to sell this much, etc. Make sure you got enough Quant prepared for that. Remember, Quant is, although it has a finite price, don't forget it also has a finite quantity as well. So make sure that you're prepared and that you have enough Quant to stake and do everything that you need to do. So what we're going to do right here is we're going to get ready to stop this one. But if you got any questions, let us know. Enjoyed talking to you guys about the Quant. Make sure you got enough to stake because there's going to be money at stake. Intent. Have a great day. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.